Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Ngithi ngingena ku-X yaziwa nge-Twitter. Ngisithela pheke post kaSisu Zezipho la akhipha khona iletter ebhalwe i-MK Party eMpumalanga mayelana nomuntu osongele u-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Ngase ngibuka nevideo yakhe ku-YouTube. Kodwa ke ngoba usikhiphile istatement yena ngisithathe kuye. Ngifisa ke sikhulume ngalolu daba kancane. Lolu nje luka advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ngoba engingasakulindela ukuthi sesingezwe kuthiwa kuneyingxushunxushi kakhulukazi eMpumalanga. Siyakhumbula ukuthi for isikhathi eside ku-MK bekunenkinga futhi lapha eMpumalanga. I-MK Party kuyahlukana kabili eMpumalanga. Kukhona ingxenye abantu ehamba nomama uMary Party, kukhona ingxenye ehamba no-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Kodwa labantu beseqembini elilodwa. Ukuphuma kwesinqumo senkantolo esathi uMary Party akaselona ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe Party. Lokho nje kukodwa kwenza sabona ukuthi hayi shuthi ingxushunxushu zizophela. Uthe emavikini emveni kokuphuma kwaleso sinqumo kwakhona umuntu wayenganelisekile kahle ngokusebenza nokuziphatha kamama advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Wabhala iletter eyibhalela ubaba kaNhlamulo Ndlela, khohle igama lakhe, ubaba uNdlela kodwa. Wasiqeda lo muntu walikha lo letter wayilikhela kwabezindaba. Washo futhi advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane no, uma kube bonke kunento ezingahambi kahle benze kahle ukuthi babhale iletter babhalele ubaba uNdlela, kodwa iphutha abalenzile ukulikha lo letter kwabezindaba ngoba bathatha inkinga zangaphakathi bazinekelizwe kanti akufanele. Kufanele noma yini abangagculisekile ngayo bayithumele endaweni efanele ikhulunywe resolve. Emveni kwalapho kwathuleka bengayitsheli ukuthi mhlambe kungase inkinga lezi zisaqhubeka nokumlandela. Ngifisa ukwenza le video kodwa kunevideo engiyibonile engifisa ukucaphunela yona kuqala ngicela uzwe la.
The unfortunate nature of South African politics, it's transactional. It's never selfless. People driven by different needs and agendas. But people don't get into politics to make a difference. They get into politics to access resources, to get positions, etc., etc. To a point, people will stifle a growth a political party simply because you're right to long position without looking at what umuntu position. We are fit in Nigiona, good in Nigiona. Are they adding value to the party? Again, it's unique to MKP, but it's what's affecting the MKP njengobusho nje.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuhamba kwesikhathi noma ivideo mayisiphelele uzo-understanda kungani ngicaphunele video le oqeda kuyibona manje. Uma ufuna ke ivideo ephelele ungayibheka i-channel yakhona i-podcast Radio and Stuff. Igama layo i-podcast Radio and Stuff. Uzothola ke inkulumo ephelele namanye amavideo wabo abawenzile. Kodwa lo baba bambizile uhlaziya umnyombo wenkinga ehlasela iMKP. Inkinga nje khona. Futhi iqiniso lepolitiki yonke ukuthi le video le ayikho ngamanye ama-political party and angifuni ukuyenza ibe ngamanye ama-political party. Le video le ngifuna ukuthi ikhulume ngalolu daba esikhuluma ngalo lika advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Ingakho ngingafuni ukwenza imizekelo ngamanye ama-political party kodwa lento eshoyo lo baba ihlasela wonke ama-political party ukuthi nje bona abalwi esidlangalaleni. Umehluko nje loyo ukuthi abalwi esidlangalaleni. Kodwa nje lento eshoyo lo baba iyiqiniso elingephikwe. Yingakho kuye kwavela ingxushunxushu ngoba kunabantu ababona ukuthi ngoba isentsha le project sizokwazi ukungena sithola ama-position, hayi ngoba beze ngenhloso yokuthi sifuna ukuguqula impilo zabantu. Bakhona mhlawumbe abanjalo kodwa abantu nje bangenele lokho kwi-political party kakhulukazi MK. bangenele lokho. Yingakho ke kwabanele ingxoxo esikhulume ngazo mayiqala ivideo isikhathi eside zikhona. Ngizokucaphunela ivoice note yalo baba osongela uadvocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Emveni kwalapho bese sifunda istatement sayi MK esibhalile. Lese ngithi ngisithole kuzizipho. Ngizokufundela istatement leso esivela ku MK Party eMpumalanga bese siyayivala ivideo.
Povo libe. Yabona le povo ele yasibulala. Yabona le povo le libona kahle. Bona le povo le Mkhwebane.
Yeah, ipovu.
Yeah, bakhwebane. Angaze ngabona umuntu askari like Mkhwebane post anything, everything. Lo muntu lo posta ama-minutes we high command kulo. Bathi wenzani? Wa delete, bathi basithulile. Baneng futhi abasifanele gogo lapho. Ya bona baningi. Siyafa. Siyafa.
Abatshela ngidayisana ngomkhonto but ekugcineni sonibamba. And sonishisa njengamathayi during 1986. Sifake ithayi uphuthe 9.
No, ngifuna ukuqala ivuthi itayela man.
Hayi nje uyifake ithayi ukuthi
Lingaqala mina ngijaha Mkhwebane Bhongo Spring. Hayi Bhongo. Ya, ngiyamjaha Mkhwebane vele ngoshisa yena. Ngemani ngibophe ngibulala. Nami ngishise mina, mara ngimshise.
Yeah.
Yebo ikhulekile organization. Ayena bana kwa JZ. Eka JZ. Webdayisa. Bani Mkhwebane? Mkhwebane limaza wena. Yo. The biggest askari in the MK currently in Mpumalanga, Mkhwebane.
Una bawuthola amafanzi ngalika ngoba.
Akathola amafanzi, bambambelele SNM yakhumbula.
But mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngani if ayekela isibani wajoyina iFF instead iANC. So ngila ngiquestiona khona ukuthi how come angathengisa because of if bekuthi njani but ANC ngiyo most
kanjani.
Yeah.
You know how the institution works.
Yeah.
Institution yakhipha ibeka open so on.
Yeah.
Umkhwebane wathi maqeda umlondo wathena ujoyina ifamily yakhumbula. And manje ujoyina ifamily unwani. Mkhwebane bazaphuma eF akaphuma. Ku FF phela bafuna balunga Mkhwebane bam impeach. Funa uma ba impeach le funa hlala 10 years before bekabaleka leyo nto. Yabo. And now look, do you know bheka lezi zinto zama election. Mkhwebane interview la Darren say angelele ma election fana la comment I reported him election manager but akwenzeki no we lose ama election ala ufuna to win why hey bathengisa ama election yawazi lo people get money yes people get money le moto behamba ngayo bafike bayilanda ama pounds sakwalete la khela ubani okay. You don't know. Lipi moto le noni amaroko. Yazwenzeni wendlela ka left. Ngisomali once okay. Ambolo ubuze lale ngiyangifuna ukukhuluma wena go to comments ngizokutshela uzahleka ufu. Thina la left. Why singimi la? Ubude. Ngicela uwehle ngapha sokuya ngale. Angale
Mawulalela kahle le voice note lo baba umntana enkinga nayo advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane futhi ufisa ngisho ukumbulala uthi mangathiwa manje kuyaliwa umuntu oqala ngambulala ngathi bemgxeka abantu noma eboshwa kodwa uzobe embulela uMkhwebane uma bembuzisisa kahle akavezi ukuthi kubangwani yokuqala le yangayivezi ukuthi babanga ini okwesibili bathi okay uma ngabe eyidayisi MK kusho yena cha akayidayisi kodwa kukhona lasho khona ukuthi bekufuneka kureportwe kuya kwangareportwa kuye akayivezi into abayibangayo okwesibili ujabuliso kwengane uma uMkhwebane edlelwe imoto njengoba ethi niyibona angikwazi mina amadoda ahlebayo ukuthi ungajabulela ukuthi kunomuntu odlelwe imoto noma kuthi ube ngasayikhokhi noma makuthiwa idliweke utholani wena ngokuthi idliwe leyo moto leyo kodwa lo baba ngendlela nenzondo ngayo noMkhwebane size yafika kulelo zinga. Size yafika kulelo zinga. Ibona labantu ke lo babakhulume ngabo abangezanga kuleli qembu ngoba bezofuna ukwenza umehluko noma bezwe manifesto yalo noma beza ini. Beze la ngoba bebona ukuthi kuneyikhundla. Beze la ngoba bebona ukuthi bazozuza. Yavela iMK uma after ama elections makujoyina uMkhwebane yamnika iposition engaphezulu kwalo baba kanti kudala ekhona. Manje usekhuluma ukuthi ama-by elections ayathengiswa. Kungani bengayiresolve leyo nto leyo? Kungani engayiraise endaweni efanele ayiraise khona? Futhi akasho ukuthi athengiswa uMkhwebane. Kodwa yena umuntu anenkinga naye uMkhwebane. Ushilo ke wathi ubefuna ngathi ngareportwa kuye. Ngeshwa akwenzeki. Ngeshwa akwenzeki. Manje ubona sengathi uma engasabulala uMkhwebane lelo thuba lokuthi kureportwe kuye lizoba khona lizotholakala. Usho njalo. Ngizofunda istatement se-MK emveni kwalapho bese mhlambe ngiphawule bese siyayivala ivideo.
Bheka lezi zinto zama-election. uMkhwebane u-interview and say angenele ma-election fanele le comment a-report him election manager but akwenzeki no. We lose ama-by-election ala ufuna ukuthi wawini.
Le statement isiphume ngomhla ka-11 October 2025. Siphuma MKP Nkangala Region Interim Detachment. Isihloko sithi Nkangala Regions calls for immediate resignation of MKP Provincial Secretary following death threats to Provincial Commissioner Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Sifundeka kanje. Nkangala Region writes to place it on record that the serious concern that is prevalent at MKP in Mpumalanga. The region expressed its shock at the voice notification by its Provincial Secretary, Comrade Abednego Mkhatshwa, also known as AB, amongst his comrades. Comrade AB could be clearly heard in the VN, categorically threatening to unalive Comrade Mkhwebane. This threat is viewed as a clear declaration to kill Comrade Mkhwebane. Comrade AB, who was in the company of other persons, could be clearly heard in the VN saying threats, fully that he want to burn Comrade Busisiwe Mkhwebane to death. As Nkangala Region, we further draw a conclusion that these threats are also meant to incite, instigate, and mobilize some people to harm and ultimately lead to execution of the provincial chairperson, considering the fact that not long ago there was a poster and circulating petition which went viral, instigating the removal of Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane as the leader of the party in the province. Furthermore, the Nkangala Region not only viewed this VN as hate speech, but also as declaration of the intention to kill. We urge Advocate Mkhwebane to open a criminal case against Comrade AB with the police because with the recent spate of political killings being a subject of the day in South Africa, death threats shouldn't be taken for granted, and as a region, we view them as very serious. Furthermore, we urge Advocate Mkhwebane to duly inform and report this matter to the National High Command of Umkhonto weSizwe Party as a matter of urgency. In the meantime, we urge all our members, ground forces and peace-loving MKP supporters and diehard to raise high and stand up against hate speech and death threats targeted at Advocate Mkhwebane, and to protect and safeguard the revolution, which its essence is to fully liberate and galvanize all masses to a total freedom. Ningthethelela amanye amagama wabonakala kahle. Asiqhubeke. We also demand a written apology and an immediate resignation of Comrade AB from all party activities in the province, and that disciplinary measures be taken against him. This should send a strong warning and message to those who might harbor the same modus operandi as Comrade AB, who aimed to perpetuate threats, intimidation, and hate against all peace-loving MKP members and leaders. Aluta continua. Ya wapala ukuthi for ama-inquiries nango Vusi Mabhena okulapha kwiNkangala region. Kubalulekile ukushuwa ile region naseNkangala la kukodwa ukuthi advocate akahamba yovula icala. Ngoba namhlanje kune commission ngenxa yawo ama-political killings. And izinto ezinje zingathathwa kancane kanti zi-serious. So advocate akawuvula icala ngoba iy'nsolo zibhekene naye. Then iqembu lona kufanele limdiscipline. Iqembu lona fanele limdiscipline. Kodwa nomthetho fanele udlala indima yawo. Ngoba uma lo muntu engase aresign aphume eqenjini asale kodwa uyingozi ngempela. Yingakho umthetho, yingakho ngihambelana nento abayishoyo ukuthi uadvocate akamvulela icala ukuze umthetho ukwazi ukudlala indima yawo. Akufanelanga ku-investigatewe uma umonakalo usuwenziwe. Uyabona lo njobe besawukhuluma lo monakalo ukube lo muntu ube aware ukuthi bayamrecord. Ingakho ngithi mangicabanga no lo muntu bengazi ukuthi bayamrecord. Ukube ube aware ubengekazisho lezi zinto bexoxa nabantu aseduze nabo esingazi ukuthi le nkulumo useyikhulume nabangaki abahlela ukuthatha ziphi inyathelo. Kodwa ukusukuma ka-advocate amvulela icala kuzobeka impilo yakhe ukuthi iphephe. Okwesibili kuvikele neqembu lelabakulo. Ya ibalekile namhlanje kune commission ngenxa yokuthi kune political killings task team eyayihlakazwa okwakubulawa ama politicians. And lezi zinto lezi ziyenzeka ngoba njengoba kuza ama-election ngonyaka ozayo. Njengoba nje kuza ama-elections ngonyaka ozayo. Ukhona umuntu othi mayibuka athi hey uyabona mangase kugudla kubani ngakwazi ukuthola indawo lapha ya ngikwazi ukusebenza khona. So i-serious ngempela lolu daba. Serious ngempela. Bengithi angikulethele le video ngikwazise ngokwenzakalayo. Ngiyabonga nje nakhulu nakusisi Zezipho ngoba uyena okhiphe le statement. Asibangabikho isidingo kimi so ukuthi ngihambe ngiyofuna i-MK party kweMpumalanga ngoba ubesesikhiphile istatement. Ngase ngithi cha angikwazise ngalokho. Ngibhekile ku-account akaka-update lutho ke yena u-advocate kwi-party yakhe nakwilona kwi-account yakhe. Mhlambe mayiselivulile icala uzos-update sizokwazi kwenzakalani. Kodwa nje siyabonga kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi mina ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ayikhiphe le letter ngoba bengeke ngiyenze ivideo ingekho le letter. Bengeke ngiyenze ivideo ngoba angifuni ukukhuluma ngento engiyizwile engazange ngayifunda. Ya kufanele uadvocate athathele inyathelo lolu daba. Into ebhlungu lo muntu akavezi ukuthi yini ayenzile noma umone ngani. Baze bambuza abangani babo ngabe lo muntu bamthengile kwagogo ngoba phela iyona excuse abafika ngayo. Angisho ukuthi akwenzeki. Yona excuse abafika ngayo ku-MK ukuthi kuze kungabi bikuzinzo abantu bathengwa kwagogo. Ngabe bamthenga uthi yena cha bamthenganga. Awu akathengwanga kodwa umfuni nje uzumfisela nokuthi angaphili. Ujajuliswa na ukuthi imoto yakhe edliwe. Uma idliwe pho yena uzuzana. Ya abanye abantu bayinkinga la emhlabeni. So ngoba lo muntu akafuna ukuhlala kahle nabantu emphakathini abambophise bamqoqo ohlala nabantu abafana naye. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.